Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove permanent Instagram account or disable temporary. First, to disable permanent your Instagram account, you can go to this link or this link. Let's try. In here, I will try to disable permanent about my account Instagram. Then, you can fill the reason why you must delete permanent your Instagram account. For example, I want to concern about our data, and we can type password. This is our Instagram password, and we can permanently delete our Instagram account via this link. I put link into description, so if you want to delete permanent your Instagram account, you can click link in the description, but you cannot delete permanent your Instagram account via Instagram application. So you must open Instagram via a browser, for example in Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Opera Mini. Number 2, if you want just temporarily disable your Instagram account, you can go to your profile and then click this and choose privacy and security, and then choose edit profile, and you can temporarily disable your account via this link. Okay, that's all tutorial about how to delete permanent your Instagram account or just disable permanent temporary for your Instagram account. Hope this helped.